Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make comics using Openart AI. We'll walk through the exact workflow to go from a blank page to comic-style panels, keeping everything clear and practical, so you can follow along and repeat the process on your own. This is useful whether you're creating a short comic scene, a social media story post, a character concept, or the first visual draft of a larger comic project. First, head to the Openart website. When you land on the home area, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Image. This takes you into the Image Creation workspace, which is where we'll build our comic visuals. This section is important because it gives you access to the tools for generating new artwork, adjusting creative settings, and testing different styles before you commit to a final comic look. Inside this workspace, click Create Image to start a fresh canvas. You may notice an option called Image Variations. That tool is great for riffing on an existing picture, but for now, we'll stick with Create Image so we can generate new comic imagery from scratch. Starting from scratch gives you more control over the scene, character pose, setting, lighting, and overall comic direction. Before you begin typing prompts, pick a model. Different models emphasize different aesthetics and capabilities. Some are great at crisp line work and stylized shading, while others lean more painterly. If your goal is clean comic art, select a model known for sharp outlines and strong contrast. This can make a big difference because comic panels usually need clear shapes, readable characters, strong shadows, and artwork that still looks good even when placed into a page layout. Now, describe your image. You'll see tabs that organize what you can make. There's an Images tab and a Characters and Worlds tab. Characters and Worlds is helpful for building consistent casts and settings across multiple scenes. For this walkthrough, stay on Images so we can focus on single panels. Once you understand how to create one strong panel, you can repeat the same style across more scenes and slowly build a full comic sequence. First, in the prompt box, type comic book style, inked outlines, cell shading, detailed panels. These keywords guide the model toward that classic comic look: bold lines, flat yet expressive shading, and a paneled feel you can expand with subject matter, like a hero leaping across rooftops at dusk. But keep the style terms intact to anchor the aesthetic. You can then add more details around those style terms, such as the character, action, background, mood, camera angle, and lighting, so the model knows both what to create and how it should look. Next, choose your output and aspect ratio. For full pages, a portrait ratio works well. For cinematic panels, try a landscape ratio. Square formats can be handy for social posts or thumbnails. Pick the shape that matches how you plan to lay out your comic. For example, if you're making a vertical comic page, portrait will feel more natural. But if you're creating a dramatic action shot, a wider frame can help show movement, background, and impact. Select a quality level. Higher quality can yield cleaner inking and smoother shading, but may take longer to render. If you're exploring ideas, start standard. If you're polishing a final panel, bump it up. This is a smart way to save time because you can test different prompts quickly first, then use higher quality only when the composition and style are already close to what you want. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will render your images based on your model, prompt, and settings. Review the results and note what worked: line weight, shading, composition. If something feels off, refine the description. Tighter camera angles, mood lighting, or action cues, while keeping the comic style terms consistent. For example, you can add phrases like close-up dramatic angle, dynamic action pose, glowing city background, or intense shadow lighting to make the panel feel more cinematic and readable. That's all it takes to start crafting comic visuals with Openart AI. Keep iterating, and you'll quickly build a cohesive look for your pages and panels. The more you test prompts, models, and aspect ratios, the easier it becomes to create a consistent comic style that fits your story, characters, and final layout.